Hi, I'm Richard, and I'll be diving deep into algorithm and sorting methods from week 3 on CS50X. I'll be covering definitions and code breakdowns, mostly introducing us to the bubble sort method. Before I continue, what is algorithm? Algorithm simply means a precise step-by-step set of instructions that you follow to solve a problem or achieve a goal. In computing, it's not so different. It just means taking a set of data which is unsorted and making it into a sorted list. Now, one major concept of this entails in computing is the bubble sort method. What does the bubble sort method do? It goes over the list, iterates through a list, and then sorts data for us. How does it do this? It takes the adjacent element in a list and then swaps it with the previous. I'll be showing us examples of this in our code.
This is bubble sort. Bubble sorting method. What does it do? Bubble sort method just repeatedly passes through a set of given lists and compares the adjacent elements and then swaps them if they are in the wrong order. That's to say, for example, we have a list. Let's create a list. I'll create it. Let's call this bubble.py, and then I create an array. Say array of, let's say, equals, we create an empty list, probably 5 elements. Let's say 5, 2, 8, 1, and then 9. So we have this array of empty lists that we want to sort is unsorted. How do we use the bubble sort method to sort this list? Let's print our array first. Let's see what we have. Print. Let's see what we have. Let's say before. Let's print our array here. So we see our list here, 5, 2, 8, 1, 9. That's our unsorted list. Now, how can we use the bubble sort method to solve this list? Let's create a for loop. First, let's get the length of the array. So we've gotten the length of our array, and then we create a for loop here. A for loop to loop through. A for loop to iterate over our array for I in range. For I in range, and then another loop for j in range. So basically what we've just done is create an array of 5 unsorted elements, and then we print its starting point. Then after which we create a variable n to show the length, and then create for loops to loop or iterate over the list. Our for loops also checks to see if elements are greater than the previous ones it has iterated over. If yes, it swaps them, and then we finally print our result, which is the sorted list. So what bubble sort method actually does is mainly swap numbers relevant to our algorithmic process. It's a simple and easy method, that is if you are dealing with a lower amount of data. It could be inefficient when you are dealing with large data sets, but then for this it works.